and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. Okay, so I have a few different items here to share with you all. Let's start with the box. Yes, let's start with the box. So this is an off the canvas item, if I remember correctly. It is. I like a good off the canvas project every now and then for something a little bit different. But this one is a cute little cactus that says hola. You do get a toolkit, of course. You do also get some string. There are two holes here. One here, one here, for you to be able to hang it up. I love these colours at the bottom. And we do have a few different shaped diamonds as well. Ooh, some pretty shapes. So let's have a look at the normal diamonds to start off with. So we do have some pearlized white and we have some normal black. We then have some rhinestones in some gorgeous bright colours. So we have like a lilac, pink, brown, quite a bit of green, as you can imagine, but there is a couple of different shades of green, so you get a little bit of texture. Then we go into some bigger ones, slightly bigger pearlized ones, and we have a red, oh, and a gorgeous bright green. We have some gold and some blue. We also have some white, and then we have some shapes. So we got a teardrop shape in a pink. And then, is that one J? Oh, it is. So J, which is these big circle ones here, are actually these little yellow flowers. So nice fun little project. Something that's a little bit different. And now I can't get this to fold up right. Come on. Where were you folded? There you go. Trying to find one of the creases where it was folded originally, and it's often easier to get it back in if you put it the same way they folded it. So that is item number one, and then I do have a couple of paintings. So first up, if I can get in it. Excuse me. Oh, yes. We have a gorgeous scene. This is a round painting, but look at the colours in that. The colours in that sky are gorgeous. It's a 30 by 40. It does come with 23 colours, which does have DMC numbers. And the actual canvas size is just short of 25 by just short of 35. I nearly said 25 again. That's not going to work, is it? It's not a square, but you can see all the ocean and then like a gorgeous cross between like a sunset sky and also like a bit of a Northern Lights galaxy type vibe. You do get a toolkit. All these colours are gorgeous. Okay, so we do have some darker colours, as you can see when I open it up. But, oh, look at that blue. Let's go through some of these. It's a mixture. Let's say there are some that are a little bit more muted or greys, but then we've got some gorgeous purples mixed in with the others, some nice hot pinks, pale blues, bright blues, a few more darker colours, but then look, they're going to look amazing all together. So that is painting number one. Oh, very nearly got it back in the right place. There we go. Get those back in and then tuck in those extra three. So say there's 23 different colours on that one. And then, last but by no means least, we have painting number 3. If I can get my scissors into the end of the bag. Easiest way to try and open it up without cutting a canvas. And number 3, oh, is this a square? It is. So this one is a square diamond painting. It is this gorgeous tree, forest, well not so much forest because there's mainly one tree. There's a couple of trees in the background. Autumn, that's the word I'm looking for. Gorgeous autumn scene. It has 21 different colours and they do come with DMC numbers. And what symbols most of this one? W. Oh, so we have actually got some 310 mixed in with the brown. The actual canvas size for this one is just short of 34 by 24, so ever so slightly smaller, but it is square, so you do get a lot of diamonds. You do get a toolkit, and oh, look at those oranges and reds. So it does have some 310, does have a little bit of 310, as I say, for the trunk and some of these really darker parts. But look at the way those oranges and yellows and reds will just make that picture pop. And they do come in baggies, which is also very nice. Very nice when kitting up when they come in baggies. Takes a little bit less time, and as much as I enjoy kitting up, I don't necessarily enjoy opening baggies all the time. So having them in little zip up bags is a win for me. But yeah, so I will pop links, of course, to all of these down below in case any of them take your fancy. But there is also, of course, many other items for you to go and have a little browse, because it's Friday, so why not? But yeah, thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these so I can share them with you, and thank you to all of you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.